Phil Grundy at philsgang.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel for 10/13/2022, the day that they came out with the CPI report. The CPI came in hot, no surprise, because the PPI came in hot. But in order to know what to do with the inflation going higher, you got to know why inflation keeps going up. And then you know what stocks to either short or buy, what groups you trade or invest or short. You got to know that. Now, to get that information, you can go to philsgang.com and sign up for 10 days free. That's my gang membership, but you get it for 10 days free. Check it out. Okay, let's get started. So, inflation came in hot. The market made 52-week lows yesterday. The volatility continues because of uncertainty. People don't know what the hell's going on. Now, yesterday, listen to this. This is Yellen.
I think the United States is doing very well. I remain encouraged. The U.S. economy is strong.
What an idiot. She is an idiot. Okay, reminds me of Aunt B. She's just an idiot. Now, let's talk the truth. The economy's doing horrible because the dollar's strong. And remember, when the dollar's strong, you got, that's and the reason why it's so strong is because the Fed's going after inflation, number one. Two, you got investors all over Europe dumping their euros, going to dollars for safety. You got the Russia-Ukraine war. We got China problems. We got the emerging markets. Now remember, all these developing countries, they borrow like hell, okay? So all their debt is in dollars. So we have shortage of dollars. So remember, a strong dollar hurts earnings. And that's why when earnings come out in the next few days, they're not going to be good. Because strong dollars, 40% of all the revenues that the S&P brings in, all their companies, 40% of those revenues, those earnings come from Europe. When you got a strong dollar, they can't sell stuff. They can't compete. So that's a real problem. That hurts big tech stocks. It hurts semiconductors. It hurts commodities, our oil, gold, silver, copper, etc. You need to know this. They don't talk about that. So, as I said, the consequence of QE, printing all these dollars, all this spending, is the inflation. And that's why the CPI is going up. Spending. This guy, Biden can't stop spending. So, as a matter of fact, it's got to the point, if you notice mortgage rates now are getting up to 7%. Why? Why is that? Because the government competes with us. The government goes and says, hey, I'll offer you over 2 years 3% for your money. Why are you staying at the bank? Well, guess what? They take their money out of the bank and they go and they lend it to the government. That means less savings in the bank. That means interest rates have to go up. When you have less money in the bank, everything goes up. Our economy can't grow because, remember, that our whole economy is based on small businesses, especially startups. They need money. They go to the bank. But the problem is what they call crowding out. Everybody's taking their savings out of the banks and giving it to the government. Now you want to start a business, you can't because you go to the bank, there's so little money in there that they want interest rates so high, a startup just can't deal with it. They can't do it. So all these problems are going on. And it's so important to know what stocks to be in, what groups to be in. And I can help you with that. Go to my site, philsgang.com. I mean, it's so important to be in the right stocks in times like this. And we'll help you. philsgang.com. See you on the charts.